I've been here 60 years and I'm still not bored.
Imagine investing just a little money today, and years from now, it's worth several times more. That's not luck, it's the power of investing. If you're a complete beginner, don't worry. In the next minute, I'll show you exactly how to get started. Step 1. Set a goal. Are you investing for a car, university, or long-term wealth? Knowing your goal helps you choose the right investment. Step 2. Build an emergency fund before you invest. Try to save enough to cover a few months of essential expenses. That way, you won't have to sell your investments when unexpected costs come up. Step 3. Start with low-cost index funds. Instead of trying to pick the next winning company, an index fund lets you invest in many companies at once, helping reduce risk. Step 4. Invest consistently. Even a small amount every month can grow over time thanks to compound growth, where your earnings can also earn more earnings. And finally, remember this. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about being patient and staying consistent. If you learned something new today, leave a like and subscribe for more simple money tips. What's one thing you'd like to learn about investing next? Let me know in the comments. And remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today.